Let's go. Hello there everyone, welcome back. Today we are driving on a 2010 BMW 535i xDrive. Let's get her started up and check out the exterior. This has been a highly requested car on my channel as well. Everybody seems to be curious about the 535, so I finally found one to film for all you. I personally really like the design of the E60, and the new G60 has so many resemblances to it. So if you like the E60, you're definitely gonna like the G60. Let's look at the interior. The condition of the seats is impeccable. Not a single scratch, not a single tear. Expensive materials everywhere, soft to touch. I love the wood. Let's hop in the back. Even the way the door closes is so satisfying. Excellent seat comfort. I'm 6'2". We have this huge armrest with the cup holders, some more storage space, lights in the back work. We have the pockets, the vents. Let's check out the trunk. Wow, that came up fast. Excellent sized trunk, plenty of space. Let's check out the engine bay. Here's the engine. But let's hop in and go for a drive. So getting into the cabin, I'm treated to excellent multi-contour seats. They look super attractive. I love this, the headrest, how it can tilt and come in and out. Very high quality materials everywhere, soft touch. That is cool. Even the way this slides out, look at that. Boom. I guess this one doesn't work. Heated seats. We also have the navigation system here. Very good navigation system for 2010. Super advanced. We got the glove box, the shades, all the lights work. We got the sunroof. We have the Bluetooth audio. I do not believe that this one has the backup camera. We also have the dual zone climate with the AC. start stop button. Okay, let's start heading out here. I like this M Sport steering wheel. It has a nice shape, it's thick, feels great. The suspension feels soft but composed. Good steering. It's not too hard, not too light. Very comfy. Let's check out the U-turn radius. Great tight radius. And I like the way it sounds too. Since this is not a brand new car, obviously she's got miles, and I do not know the mechanical condition of this vehicle. We won't do any launch control tests. I'll do like a quick 0 to 60 from one pedal, just to see roughly how she runs. But I don't want to boost her or anything, because you never know what can go wrong at this age and mileage. Excellent brakes. They're very strong. Plenty of torque, and we are up to 60 just like that. The cabin is super quiet, not able to hear anything, no noise, just a little bit of the wind, but today is a super windy day, so that's to be expected. Warning us that the outside temperature is 37 Fahrenheit, so we got to be extra careful. But let's give her some juice. Oh, the sound is so cool. I love the sound of this N55. I believe this is the N55, or yeah, I think so. If I make a mistake, please correct me. I believe this is the N55 engine. At 70 miles an hour, we're barely above 2,000 RPM. So that will result in pretty good gas mileage. The steering is tight, very precise. Giving just a small dosage gives instant feedback, which I really like. there's excellent pull down below. So minimal throttle inputs, 2,500, 3,000 RPMs, and it's pulling like a freight train. Visibility is excellent. I can see everything clearly around me. No major blind zones. And I love this ride height. Like, it's the optimal ride position. And even the wiper layout, I think it's super duper cool how they kind of go up and then down. I like this layout. Very, very pleasing. Three, two, one, let's go. Alrighty, so let's see what we got. So we did 0 to 60 in 6.54 seconds, and the 0 to 62 miles an hour in 6.87 seconds. Again, that was not from boost. That was just off idle, our first attempt. But let's try one more time and see if we're able to do any better. Sometimes you gotta give cars like 1-2 goes and then they perform better. But no, this is a 2010, so it doesn't have those fancy features that the newer ones have, like, you know, the built-in launch features. They're not as techy in that sense. But let's let the traffic through. Let's go. Alrighty, so let's see what we got. So we did 0 to 60 in 5.54 seconds. We did 0 to 62 in 5.87 seconds. And we did the 1/8 mile at 8.98 at 80 miles per hour. So great times, great times. As you can see, she has lost absolutely no power throughout the years. Still chugging with great times. These engines are also very tunable, so a simple stage 1 flash can get you another 80 to 100 horsepower if you need it. But so far, in my perspective, I don't think it really needs any more power than it has. Highway speeds feel great on this car. Let's see how she takes the bump. Great suspension. But what I love is the torque. It's just so silky and smooth. It builds speed effortlessly. And the suspension plays off any bumps with ease. Overall, I gotta say, I really love this 5 Series. Throughout almost 14 years, it has kept up its shape beautifully, including the materials. It's ultra comfortable, handles beautifully, it's light on its feet, the acceleration is very strong, and technology is not far behind compared to today. You still got the 3D navigation, the dual climate, all these nice features, and some of them actually have a heads-up display too in the backup camera. So, seems like an amazing bargain to me. Well, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And until next time.